What's up, everybody? Bucket here, Bucket's World of Vegas, coming back to you one more time with a room walkthrough tour. This time we're back at Flamingo. This time we're checking out a Flamingo double queen. That's what we are. This is room 22161 in the Flamingo Tower. Let's go check it out. So, this is my buddy Kelly's room. This is not my room. And as y'all know, the Flamingo Tower is the most recently renovated rooms. And to be honest with you, I've never been in a Flamingo room at all. Because as y'all know, and as I'll put in the top link here, my favorite rooms are the Go rooms. But these are very well appointed. 350 square feet. The AC that's over there, we've already done the hotel hack. So we're able to drop that down to 60 degrees. Hopefully that lasts. But you got the two queen beds here. And again, just like in the other video, in my room, I love that lamp. I want it. I want to take it home. Although I'm sure they would charge me a pretty penny for that. Do have an interesting chair over here. Looks comfortable. I don't know. Let's see, do the Flamingo rooms have, they do have a mini fridge. And your safe, of course, which is pretty standard. But the mini fridges are not standard in Vegas anymore. Flamingo has them. Is it cold? Let me make sure. Yep, it is cold. On the website, when you go to Caesars.com or when you go to Flamingo's direct website and you scroll through the amenities, it does say that the fridge is available upon request for an additional charge. This is two different rooms. They do still have them, and we didn't request it. It's not an additional charge. The TV, it's got to be what, 55 inch? What do you think, Kelly?
48, 55.
Maybe 50. 50, 55 inch, which is a good sized TV. That's bigger than the TV in my Go room. Got a desk area, which, I don't know. I don't know why they put that in there, because the only time I ever really use that is for when I'm, drunk, and it's the end of the night, and I'm eating a greasy-ass cheeseburger that I paid $37 for. But whatever. You do have a connecting door in this room. Whatever. Make sure it's locked. It is locked. Double queens. But the bathrooms. So the bathrooms are a little bit different in the Flamingo rooms. They are a bit nicer as far as being modern and all that good stuff. But I feel like they are smaller than the Go rooms. Do have a nice stand-up shower. They do not have, like the Go rooms have, the massager. It's a nice rain shower head. And your dispensers for your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, all that good stuff. Your lotion is here. They do have a makeup mirror that is not lighted. And look, hey, there I am. Hey, say hello, everybody. Lighted mirror, that's cool. The bathrooms just seem a little on the tiny side, but they're very nice, very well appointed. Overall, I still love the Go rooms. The Go rooms, to me, that's like home. It has a very familiar feeling for me because I've stayed in the Go rooms several times. And some of my best times in Las Vegas was in a Go room. And it's just a lot of sentimental value. If y'all can tell that I'm slurring my words, it might be true. Because Kelly was late. He was a couple hours behind me. So I had plenty of time to hit Bugsy's bar before coming up here and doing this walkthrough. Interesting, there is on the floor a couple of outlets. Which they do open. I had one open earlier. I don't know. If you're running outlets over there, which didn't appear to be a whole lot of them, you have outlets on the floor. Nice.
Oh, that's cool.
So anyway, that is the Flamingo 2 Queens. Very nice, well appointed. The only thing, and the other thing is that the drapes and the shears, like in the go rooms, are not automated. You literally have to open them manually, which ain't that bad. And give me just a second, and I'll show you what the view is from this particular room in just a moment. Now that all lights are off, let's check out the view from this particular room. Apparently we were staying at the Flamingo. I don't know if you can see that, but there is no M.
Part of an M.
This room was supposed to have been a go room high roller view. And I guess they upgraded him to a Flamingo. But he did not get the high roller view, which is fine, because you have a good view of the pool down there. But yeah, Flamingo's one of my favorite properties. And I think the difference between the executive rooms and the standard like Go or Flamingo Kings is the level. So if you look up, and you probably can't make that out on the video, but those top 2 or 3 floors seem to stick out just a little bit. Like you can see that a lot better over here. And I think that's the difference square footage wise. So my room is 400 square foot. This one is 350, which you can tell the difference by walking in and yeah, I think that's the difference. So if you're looking for a little bit bigger room, you're going to get a higher floor. Other than that, Flamingo for me does not disappoint. I'll leave that up to Kelly to tell me how much he loved this room or how much he hated it. And I'll update you guys on that later. Y'all take it easy. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.